everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a plane that looks pretty much like the paper airplane that Jason Merrill designed. It's called Diamondback. And just to show you, it looks like this, but it's like, oops, you might not see it. Let's get the light there. There we go. Okay, so this is it. And I designed it, as you know. I always design paper airplanes myself, just to make it a lighter feel, better view. Okay, that is it. And let's see how it flies. And let's get to fold. Oh my goodness. Folding it. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started. One. You see that? Let's do it again. So, it flies really quick. And let's just get started. Okay, I'm gonna put it there. I made this board for someone that is gonna view my video. So, and please drop a like on this video or subscribe. You can do both if you want. And let's just take a sheet of paper and start folding. So the size of the paper, I don't care, but the dimensions should be a square sheet of paper. And let's get started. So I want the plane to be blue. Wait a minute. I want the plane to be blue. So I'm gonna green side up. So like if you have white and blue color, white on one side, blue on the other side, you're going to be white side up. So you want the plane to be blue. So like color side down. So fold it in half. And unfold. Now fold that edge. No, actually, no. Fold that corner to there. Okay. Now unfold and fold that corner to the middle point. Like that. And fold that edge to the middle. Okay, there we go. Now, you got another square and fold that edge to the middle again. Okay. Now we are going to be folding this corner down. So flip it over and fold that corner down. Unfold and fold that corner to that corner. I'm going to show you what I am doing. So I'm going to draw the crease. It's a very light crease. So just to show you where it is. Okay, so that's the crease. And fold that corner, the bottom corner, to that crease. And then unfold. Now you're going to be folding that out, that flap out. But the start of the crease should be on this corner and the end should be on this, the center, no, the place where the middle crease intersects this crease. So which is this point. That point. And just fold it out. And do the same thing on the other side. Feel free to slow down the video or pause the video if I'm going too fast. Okay, now here's the trickiest part. You're going to fold that in along that edge. Oh, that line just matched. Look at that. Okay, there you go. Anyway, now do the same thing on the other side. Now you're going to fold that piece down, which is, you see those are mountain folds and this is a mountain fold as well. So you're going to turn the middle line into a valley fold. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to just crease it all the way, do it really sharply. And now here's another tricky part. You're going to fold that up so that this part is a little not accurate. So you're just going to try to estimate so that this is exactly vertical. So try to see, like, that is kind of vertical. There we go. That is what you want. Okay. Now fold the wings up. And you might see this little piece. Sorry for the shadows. That little piece, that is a horrible thingy. So you're gonna push that up. If you just try, it should go up. If it doesn't, then you could keep it there, but it's not gonna fly it that well. Okay. Now you're going to fold that up, that wing up. Sorry for the shadow, and flip it over and flip that wing up as well. Okay, now we're going to be kind of taking that wings and we're going to open it and fold that edge to the inside. Okay, and fold the wings down and fold that edge to there. Or just, you could do it so that, you could do it before you fold that. So anyway, just unfold this flap and just try to make this crease as far as you can so that it looks kind of like that. And crease it. Now unfold and reverse that crease. There. Oops. There. And fold that down and then push that in so that it lands on that. There. So you got it like that. I'm trying to do it. Okay, you got it like that. And then take the tail down. And then push that corner up. Now, when you fold that up, you need to see if there is a triangle here or not. If there is no triangle, then you're in trouble. It won't fly. Okay, try to make the triangle as big as you want. As big as you can, not you want. Okay. Now there it is. And if you want, you can just take that open and push that in. That's optional. But I recommend not to do that. There you go. Now fold the wings up and make the lock, since you already got the crease. Now fold the wings down, and we're kind of done the plane. So we're kind of done the plane. So just fold the fins out, kind of. And to adjust it, you're going to fold the triangles out. Little. You could bend or fold it out. But anyway, you better fold it. Now make a little up elevator there. And if you don't know what up elevator is, it's just something it's just an action when you like bend the end of a paper airplane so that it is up, and that is the finished plane. If you think this video is not that good, it's not that clear, you could like slow the video down, or like just like somehow try a way to make it more clear. So that's all for this video, and see you next time.